The purpose of this exercise is to develop a foundation of internal organization and body movement control, as well as the ability to integrate the whole body in a coordinated manner. You will need a whiteboard markers, and a partner. You may begin this level by standing in front of a whiteboard at a normal working distance. You may use your arms to measure this distance. Directly in front of your nose will be an X. You should keep your eyes focused on the X. Take a whiteboard marker in each hand, holding it with your fingers on the top and your thumb on the bottom. Point the marker tips at each other so they point toward the center of your body. The easiest shape to start with is a square. Starting from the top, draw a big square on either side of the X with both hands at the same time. You will start with the first movement inward. Make 5 rotations. Next, you'll do 5 outward rotations. Then you'll complete 5 right rotations, followed by 5 left rotations. You want to make sure you keep your eyes on the middle X, while also using your peripheral vision to track your hand motion. After these rotations, stop and see how you did. Your partner will guide you through self-examination by asking questions to make sure you are using the correct motion with your shoulders, moving your hands at the same speed, and your hand position on the squares were the same throughout your rotations. You will want to check if your squares are the same size, that one is not higher or lower than the other, that the lines are generally on top of each other, and that both squares are the same distance from the middle X, and that they actually look like squares. When you are able to do this, then try different shapes. The order of difficulty is squares, rectangles, triangles, and diamonds. Once you can draw these different shapes symmetrically and equidistant from the X, then you have completed this level.